Hello friends, this is Wasim Ahmed from Ask an IFRS Expert. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And Today we are going to talk about the IFRS 16, that is leasing. In lease accounting, in this IFRS, it says that there are two types of parties dealt in this IFRS. One is lessor and other one is lessee. From lessee point of view, in past there were two treatments allowed. One is operating lease and one is financing lease. But in this latest IFRS, only one treatment is allowed, that you have to record the asset which you are getting from any third party, and if it is qualifying the asset definition, like you are getting most of the advantage and it is under your possession and you have decision making rights also. So you have to treat it as assets. On the other hand, you have to book the obligations which you have to pay, and on the on the one hand you have to record it as asset. That asset is called right of use and assets, ROU. In this IFRS, anything you are using from which you have taken from the third party, you cannot record it as rentals, but you have to book it as your asset, and that asset is right of use, ROU. On the other hand, you have to book the lease liability. So both the treatment you have to book. Let's discuss something, that how you have to record the asset price. What does it also means that you have to book all the assets regardless of anything, either it is property or car or any other equipments. If you have taken it on lease, you have to book it as asset in your statement of financial position, and on the other hand you have to book the obligation for that. Let's see how much you understand. Let's discuss this question. I'm showing it to you now. Write in the comments what you feel is the right choice of this answer. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do it now, and if you are looking for a detailed training, contact me on the given number. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.